Hey guys, to get to your desired goal, you need only three things: your thoughts, your words, and your action. All you need is 17 seconds a day. If you have, I can take you to your desired manifestation. Let me explain you how in this video. I guarantee it's the most trusted method that I have ever used in my life. It's physics and not philosophy. Stay tuned. Namaste, my name is Moon from the channel Moonlight Guidance, and I'm here to raise your consciousness. To begin with, I want to share a quote by Einstein. He once said, "Everything is energy and that's all there is to it." Match the frequency of the reality you want and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way. You have to understand that everything is energy. If you match the frequency of your thoughts and words with the reality you want, this one, you can start creating the reality of your choice. We often create thoughts which are opposite of what we want, this one, and thereby allow the situation to continue the way it is or get more complex than before. 17 seconds manifestation technique was tossed by Abraham Hicks. Now, in this video, I am going to give you the easiest version of this technique with the tools. As per her, 17 seconds of pure thought is the ignition point of manifesting. If you hold a thought for 17 seconds without distraction, you set in motion that manifestation, and to have that desire become stronger until it reaches 68 seconds. Each fourth of that 68 seconds gets stronger than the last, thereby creating a truly powerful point of attraction. Thoughts and emotions are what? It's energy. Now, many people have this misunderstanding that if you hold a thought for 17 seconds, the next day it will come into your reality. In the contrary, 17 seconds is the actual minimum time you should focus on a goal to give it the required energy to raise its momentum to bring it to your 3D reality. This way, you deliberately create your world. 17 seconds is just a parameter. I will make it easy for your understanding through quantum physics and resonance. We understand from quantum physics that everything we have is right now. We experienced past when it was now. We will experience the future when it will become now. With this, the only moment that does exist is the moment now. So, the process of manifestation has to begin at this moment now, where you allow yourself to think and live with your desired goal. Time frame of 17 seconds is just a parameter. The more you focus on your topic or situation or object, the more you become close to its vibration, making one day to achieve your goal. Remember, you get what you think, whether you want it or not. Focus on bad situations is a misuse of imagination. To clarify, this happens whether or not it is your intention. This is how this reality of mental dream works in general. The second thing we need to understand is resonance. When we know that the only moment we have is now, we also have to understand that everything we want is right here, right now. We only have to match our vibration to see it. As you purposely choose to focus on certain things, it molds your reticular activating system in the brain. The reticular activating system is a bundle of nerves at your brainstem that filters out the unnecessary information so the important stuff gets through. Reticular activating system is the reason you learn new word and then start hearing it everywhere. This reticular activating system will allow you to see the ideas and opportunities that may be present in your life the whole time, but you were not able to perceive it because you were resonating at a different frequency. Let's talk about your car. Once you buy a certain car, you start to see that car everywhere and you see that a lot of people have that car. The fact is that the car was always there with so many people. It's just that you didn't notice it because you didn't give much value or focus on that car. You were not resonating with that car. This 17 seconds rule sets your reticular activating system to show you the ideas and opportunities as per your focus topic. So now friends, if you have watched till here, you may like and share my video so that it reaches to all who are seeking this information. You can also support my channel grow through donation. Donations are extremely appreciated. Details are in the description box below. And thank you very much to those who have already donated. My channel will always be grateful to you. Now let's come back to our topic. Usually manifestation requires deep concentration and foremost effectiveness. It also requires you to visualize what you want. One of my favorite terms is called visioning. It is a powerful technique you can use to manifest things by envisioning what you want in life. Don't sit there and focus on million different things. Try to focus on one main thing and go into detail in your mind as to specifics. Do you want a mansion? If so, visualize what it would look like, how it would smell when you walk up to the front door, what things you would see when you look out of the window, what each room would look like, etc., etc. The more detail you go, the better. And if it's not easy for you to imagine all this up front, then take a happy memory from your past. Visualize that. One happy memory leads to another. Now, once you are in a happy mood, start visioning your desired goal. After your visioning session is over, you should then let go of it. You can do it by affirming that I have said it, it will come true. Now, second, act as if what you want you already have. That is, fake it until you make it. Pretend like you are a millionaire with a mansion and in your head act like it. It's not easy, but if you can vision it in less than 17 seconds and deepen this with a specific still 68 seconds daily, you help bring your dreams to reality. What will happen is your current version will start getting the ideas and opportunities of your future version. And by working on those ideas and opportunities, you will head towards your dream version. Our thoughts have their own existence. Basically, picture of your thoughts have their own universe. Every time you think of something, you create the possibility of existing. Even though with the multiverse theory, technically everything that has happened and will happen has already happened and is still happening. So if you think about it, your thoughts are just unlocking your awareness to different paths in life. You are what you think, so be careful with the negative thoughts because they can be just as powerful. Fear. Fear is one of the most powerful feelings. So if you give more energy to fear than you believe, in reality, all you are doing is guaranteeing your fear. Don't focus on your lack. Be appreciative of everything that you have. There are a lot of manifestation techniques, and the more you know, the more you can build something that helps you the best. And it's okay if you don't believe in manifestation, but just then research the law of attraction and the law of reaping and sowing. You can watch my 4 videos on law of attraction. Link is given on the top right corner of this video. These 2 laws make sense of everything to me, with the addition of synchronicity. This connects to religion as well. All religion basically states that whatever you give the most thought to, you give the most power to. If 1,000,000 people pray for the same thing, there is 1,000,000 people all devoting energy to the creation of something. Think about it. Magic works the same way. With this, let's end this video here. If you want to see my channel grow, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you with another video very soon. And thanks for watching Moonlight Guidance.